नमस्ते टू ऑल। आज मैं फिर क्लास 10 के कुछ केस स्टडी क्वेश्चंस के साथ उपस्थित हूँ, जो कि चैप्टर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज वेरी important chapters in class 10 and it is maximum possibility to questions of case study given from that chapters, and a student also face difficulties in the questions of that chapters. So here is one question. राज एंड अजय, और अभी तक यदि आप लोगों ने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कृपया सब्सक्राइब कर लें, जिससे इम्पोर्टेंट कंटेंट आपके पास समय से पहुंचता रहे। और भी पहले मैंने केस स्टडी क्वेश्चंस बनाया हुआ हूं, जो कि रियल नंबर्स फर्स्ट चैप्टर से है। उसका भी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में शेयर कर दूंगा, आप उससे भी स्टडी कर सकते हो। यहाँ केस स्टडी क्वेश्चंस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से उसका डिस्कशन और क्वेश्चन दोनों हम लोग यहाँ देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, राज एंड अजय आर वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड, बोथ द फैमिलीज decide to go Ranikhet by their own cars. Raj's car travel at a speed of x kilometer per hour, while Ajay's car travel 5 kilometer per hour faster than Raj's car. Raj took 4 hours more than Ajay to complete the journey of 400 kilometer. And first questions that is based on that topic is, what will be the distance covered by Ajay car in 2 hours? Option given 4 here. Second question, which of the following quadratic equation describe the speed of Raj's car? Here is 4 quadratic equation given. You should find out the right quadratic equation. Question third, what is the speed of Raj's car? And in question number 4, how much time took Ajay to travel 400 kilometer? And option also given. These are the 4 questions related to that passage. Now we will discuss the questions and their solution. Now you can see that questions. First, we should let the speed of Raj's car, that we have taken the x kilometer per hour, and the speed of Ajay's car, it is mentioned in the question 5 kilometer more than Raj's car. So we should have write x plus 5 kilometer per hour. It is the speed distance covered by Ajay's car in 2 hours. It is given to find in first question. We know that distance equal to a speed into time. A speed is x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Time given to 2 hours. So a speed into time. So it is 2 into x plus 5, and option given, that is in first option, 2 into x plus 5 kilometer. Distance, their unit so will be kilometer. It is the question first. Second question given to frame the quadratic equation. It is much difficult questions for that passage. Total distance given 400 kilometer. Time taken by Raj's car. We know that time equal to distance by speed. Distance 400 kilometer, and a speed we have already let x kilometer per hour. So 400 by x we will left same. Now time taken by Ajay's car, that is also distance by time. Time taken by Ajay is x plus 5, so we have taken here time x plus 5. According to question say that time taken by Raj is 4 more than time taken by अजय कार. अजय के कार से राज का कार जो डिस्टेंस कवर करता है 400 किलोमीटर, वो 4 आवर्स ज़्यादा लेता है. सो वी शुड सब्ट्रैक्ट टाइम टेकन बाय अजय फ्रॉम टाइम टेकन बाय राज इक्वल टू 4. आइदर यू कैन add 4 with 400 means we can also add the 400 hours along with Rajesh's time. Either we can subtract 4 with the Raj's card. Now we have taken LCM x into x plus 5. X is the denominator, so x plus 5 multiply with 400. Here is x plus 5 denominator, so x is multiplied by 400. We will multiply and we will send x into x plus 5 into RHS. 400x will cancel. 4x square plus 5 4 ja 20x, and we will send 2000 into RHS. It will be subtract. 4 can be taken common, then x square plus 5x minus 500 left. So that is option C is the right. By this method you can frame the equations. Okay. Now third questions given to what is the speed of Raj's car, that we have taken. We have already let x, so we should find the value of x. तो इस इक्वेशन को अब हम सॉल्व करेंगे. यहाँ हमने मिडिल टर्म को स्प्लिट करके फैक्टराइज करके फाइंड आउट किया एक्स का वैल्यू. अगर आपको ऐसे समझ में आता है तो ऐसे, आइदर डायरेक्ट बाय अप्लाइंग द रूल ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. हाउ वी फाइंड द रूट ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट डी होल बाय 2a. But it is very simple. 500 we should split 25 into 20. 500 25 minus 25, x square 25 into x 25x and minus 20x. X taken common, x plus 25, here minus 20 taken common, again x plus 25 taken. X plus 25, x plus 25, so it is taken common. X here is left, here is minus 20 left. Now if we take x minus 20 equals to 0, if we send x plus 25 into RHS, 0 by x plus 25, any number divided by 0 becomes 0, so we have taken 0. If we send 20 into RHS, it will be x equal to 20. And if we take x plus 25 equal to 0 and we will send 25 into RHS, it will be minus 25. But we know that a speed cannot be negative, because if व्हीकल्स बैकवर्ड में भी जाएगा तो भी वो स्पीड ही होगा, पॉजिटिव में, निगेटिव में नहीं होगा. सो द स्पीड ऑफ राज कार इज 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज ए 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. क्वेश्चन 4, it is given that find the time taken by Ajay's car to travel 400 किलोमीटर. अजय के कार के द्वारा कितना समय लिया गया. We have already framing that time taken by Ajay's car 400 by x plus 5. Again we will take 400 by x plus 5. We have just find out the value of x 20. So instead of x we will take 20. 20 plus 5 25. 400 by 25 we can get the 16 hours. So time taken by Ajay's car is 16 hours. So these are the that are the solution of 4 questions. Again we come on second case study question related to the quadratic equation. It is the question first that we have just discussed. फिर से मैं आपको क्वेश्चन दिखा दे रहा हूँ. केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. नाउ अब हम लोग सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पर आ रहे हैं. It is the second question, also related to quadratic equation. The speed of a motor boat is 20 km per hour given. For covering the distance of 15 km, the boat took 1 hour more for upstream and downstream. That question related to upstream and downstream. Question first, the speed of upstream be x km per hour, then a speed of motor boat in upstream. 4 options given. Question second, what is the relation between a speed, distance and time? It is given to write the formulas for that. That is all three contents used. Question 3, which is the correct quadratic equation for the speed of current. We have given to find out the right quadratic equation. 4 options given. Question 4, what is the speed of current? Means a speed of water. 4 options given. How much time boat took in the downstream? कितना समय लिया गया बोट के द्वारा डाउनस्ट्रीम में? ये क्वेश्चंस हो गया 5 क्वेश्चंस। ये सेकंड केस स्टडी क्वेश्चंस का। इसका सॉल्यूशन मैं दिखा रहा हूँ। सेकंड, it is the questions, the speed of a motor boat, it is given 20 kilometer and we have let the speed of a stream is x kilometer per hour. So the speed of motor boat in upstream, अपस्ट्रीम में क्या होता है, बोट के स्पीड में वाटर का स्पीड माइनस हो जाता है, जबकि डाउन स्ट्रीम में बोट के स्पीड के साथ वाटर का स्पीड ऐड हो जाता है। यहाँ अपस्ट्रीम है सो वाटर का स्पीड जो कि स्ट्रीम था, स्ट्रीम का स्पीड माइनस हो गया 20 माइनस एक्स। सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज 20 माइनस एक्स। इट इज गिवन द ऑप्शन सी 20 माइनस एक्स। क्वेश्चन सेकेंड, what is the relation between a speed, distance and time? You know that a speed equal to distance by time, either distance equal to a speed into time, but in options it is mentioned a speed equal to distance by time and time equal to a speed into distance. It is wrong. Distance equal to a speed by time, it is also wrong. A speed equal to distance into time, it is also wrong. So the speed equal to distance by time, first option is right answer. Question third, which is the correct quadratic equation for the speed? Again we will frame the equations. For framing the equation, it is given the distance 15 km to cover. What is the speed of motor boat in downstream? We have already discussed that for downstream we will add the speed of boat and the speed of water, that is stream. So it is 20 plus x kilometer. डाउन स्ट्रीम में दोनों का स्पीड ऐड हो जाता है। टाइम टेकन बाय द बोट इन डाउन स्ट्रीम, it is time, so distance by speed, distance 15 kilometer, speed we have just written 20 plus x. We will left that. Again time taken by boat in upstream, the speed of upstream we have already written in question number 1, 20 minus x. So 15 by 20 minus x, it is the time taken by boat in upstream. Now question given that time taken in upstream is 1 hour more than time taken from downstream. अपस्ट्रीम में जितना भी समय लिया गया है वो डाउनस्ट्रीम से 1 घंटे अधिक लिया गया है, इसलिए अपस्ट्रीम में लिया गया टाइम माइनस डाउनस्ट्रीम में लिया गया टाइम इक्वल टू 1. We have subtracted. Now we will take the LCM, 20 minus x, 20 plus x. It is 20 minus x, so 15 multiplied with 20 plus x. Here is 20 plus x, so 15 will multiply by 20 minus x. We will multiply and we will send 20 minus x and 20 plus x into RHS. 300 will cancel here, minus 20 plus 20, one positive one negative same side, so it will be cancelled. Here is left 15 plus 15, 30x. Here is left 400 minus x square. Now we will take all the term into one side. X square will be positive if we take in LHS. 30x already in positive, 400 also in LHS will be negative. X square plus 30x minus 400 will be the right answer, that is option C. Question 4 given, again find the speed of current, means a speed of water. For finding that we should solve that equation that we have just find out in question number 3. It is 30, so we should split 30, 40 minus 10 and 40 into 10, 400. Plus into minus minus. So 40 into x, 40x minus 10x. We have taken x common, x plus 40 minus 10 here is taken common, x plus 40 again left, x plus 40, x plus 40 taken common, x minus 10 is left. इसमें आपको फैक्टराइजेशन आना चाहिए, जिसे कि आप लोगों ने क्लास 7 से ही पढ़ते आ रहे हो, तो इस मेथड से आप निकाल सकते हो। x equals to 10, if we send 40 it will be minus 40, and speed cannot be in negative, we know that. So x equal to 10, that is 10 kilometer per hour is the speed of current, either a speed of water. Question 5 again given, find the time taken by boat in downstream. We have already find out the time taken in downstream, just like in the form of x, 15 by 20 plus x. We will put in that the value of x, that is 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर। 15 by 20 plus 10, हम लोग 10 कहाँ से लिए हैं, 10 ये हो गया x का वैल्यू। 15 by 30 hours, 15 by 30 means half hours, so we should convert into minutes because the options given in minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes, so we have multiplied by 60. 30 into 2 60, 15 into 2 30 minutes, so the right answer is 30 minutes. इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद 30 मिनट्स आया, जो कि राइट ऑप्शन सी है। इस तरह से 5 क्वेश्चन था सेकेंड केस स्टडी के लिए। ये 5 क्वेश्चन हम लोगों ने डिस्कस कर लिया। एक बार फिर से आप क्वेश्चन देख लो। ये क्वेश्चंस है जिसमें कि मोटर बोट का स्पीड दिया है, डिस्टेंस 15 किलोमीटर दिया है, और अप स्ट्रीम में डाउन स्ट्रीम से 1 घंटे ज़्यादा समय लगता है। और ये क्वेश्चंस है 1 2 3 4 5, जिसका कि डिस्कशन हम लोगों ने देखा है। अगर इस वीडियो को आप पसंद करते हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक भी करें और सब्सक्राइब भी करें, जिससे कि आगे और भी इस तरह के अच्छी वीडियोज़ आपको मिलता रहे। और इससे अगर आपको हेल्प अगर किसी तरह का होता है एग्ज़ाम में या समझने में, तो वह भी कमेंट्स में दे सकते हैं। अगर यह किसी तरह का प्रॉब्लम्स होता है वह भी बता सकते हैं, उसको मैं और अच्छे तरीके से समझा पाऊँगा, उस कंटेंट के लिए अलग से सेपरेट वीडियो बना पाऊँगा। ओके, थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।